Welcome to Turbo Rider today. We are diving into one of the most talked about dirt bikes of the year, the 2025 Yamaha YZ 500. A machine that brings back the legendary two-stroke power with modern motocross precision. Design and build. At first glance, the YZ 500 looks wild, aggressive, and ready to dominate the dirt. Yamaha seems to have built this bike on a modern YZ chassis, giving it the stability and handling of today's motocross machines, but with that old-school big bore thrill. The frame feels light, sharp, and balance perfect for riders who want both control and raw excitement. Engine and performance. The heart of the YZ 500 is its massive 499 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine. While Yamaha has not officially revealed all specs, early ride tests suggest it produces over 60 horsepower with around 50 pound-foot of torque. That means explosive acceleration, insane top-end power, and enough torque to handle the roughest trails or motocross tracks. Riders describe it as insane, precise, and incredibly powerful, a true statement bike that proves big bore two-strokes still belong in the modern era. Ride experience. On the dirt, the YZ 500 is pure adrenaline. The power delivery is instant, the throttle response is razor-sharp, and the bike feels alive under you. Despite its huge power, the balanced frame and updated suspension make it surprisingly rideable, even in tight corners or technical terrain. It's not just a throwback, it's Yamaha showing the world that two-stroke legends can still rule. Who is it for? This is not a beginner's bike. The YZ 500 is built for experienced riders who crave raw performance, unmatched acceleration, and a machine that challenges them every ride. If you're someone who loves motocross heritage but wants it in a modern package, this is the dream bike. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha YZ 500 is more than just a dirt bike, it's a statement of power, heritage, and Yamaha's commitment to thrill seekers. With its aggressive looks, massive two-stroke engine, and cutting-edge handling, it stands as one of the boldest bikes of 2025. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.